Well, good evening, Facebook Black Owned Business Group. I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live today, and I'm sharing with you, as I promised in the last video, that I will share with you an opt-in page, okay? And so I have completed the 15 days of video content creation ideas. And so what I want to share with you starting today is how to create an opt-in page, okay, the information that is needed. And I'll kind of show you once you create an opt-in page, you can also have the person to either go to something to download, okay, for free, or you can actually just send them to a sales page, okay, where they can make a purchase. And so let me just share with you right here, okay. So what you see on here is you have to have a title, you know, a headline that is catchy, okay, something that is of interest to the person that would see this, okay. And so what it says is free video. Okay, so first off, it's like, hey, I'm getting something free, okay? And it reveals how to make your first commission online. So if someone had not made any commissions online, made any money online, they've been online, you know, marketing a product or service, and it's like, man, it just seems like I can't make any money. And then here, they see your, you know, opt-in page where it says, you know, free video reveals how to make your first commission online. Right there, they're interested, okay. And then to top it off, it says without spending a single dime. Now that's it right there. That is the attention grabber for sure. And then not only does it tell them, hey, you're going to make some money if you haven't done it before, okay, you're not going to have to spend money to do it. And then this is how it's going to be done. You're going to copy it like me. So basically what they're saying, it's going to be simple, easy peasy to do, you know, to copy it, to bank $120 within a few hours every day, okay? And then of course that's your main header. Then you'll have a subtitle which says, you know, master banking, $60 to $150 a day on the internet. No skills or experience needed. So right there, you know, that is another, you know, benefit of them deciding that, hey, let me go ahead on and get what I want to get from, you know, I'm looking to get from here. And then it says act now. You know, you want to have some urgency here to reveal all of the free for free and start cashing in, okay? And so this is one concept, you know, of creating opt-in page so that you can connect with the person that you're trying to build a relationship with to build know, like, and trust, okay? So you think the person is going to click on the free download? Oh, sure they are, okay? Especially when they say, you know what, I see where it's normally $17, okay? But today is $0. So yeah, definitely click on it. And so this is what you want to come up with, you know, for your basically target audience, okay? You want to come up with a headline, you know, that will definitely grab their attention, definitely will have them to say, hey, let me go ahead on and click on this free download, you know. And then of course right here, you know, you can have them get free access. Of course, because I'm already in this here, they already have my email, but basically you would be collecting their email address, okay? Now, that's one example. So here's a different example. This is more like a sales page, okay? And so with this sales page here, okay, it's talking about Etsy tip guide, so that you know, your Etsy tip guide will be in your inbox momentarily. But first, have you thought about this? Okay, so now it's like, okay, you know, they want to kind of, you know, share some information from you, you know, before, you know, you make that decision, okay? And so it talks about how people buy all year long. They're already shopping online. And you know, you're like, yep, that's me. You know, I'm already shopping online. You know, packages are being sent out daily, you know, and it's only getting bigger, you know, the closer we get to the holiday each month. So the holiday season coming up. So yeah, you know, you're interested. So no matter when you buy, there are buyers. And when you begin, there are buyers. Okay. And so, of course, has nice image. So, and that's another thing. You can have a nice image, you know, on your page. Okay. And then basically right here, it says your Etsy cheat sheet. Okay, that's a great thing for you to offer. You know, a cheat sheet, a checklist, you know, some kind of workbook, worksheet, any of those types of things are great to offer, you know, to the person that you're wanting to build a relationship with. Okay. And so basically here is talking about getting a 67-page PDF. All right. And so that is something else that I can share with you, how to create, you know, a PDF, you know, if you're not familiar with doing that, so that you can offer it for free or you can offer it for an actual price. Okay. And then it says here how I'm personally planning to make a small fortune in 2018 with 21 cents ads. So now, is that of interest to you? It definitely is. You know, only 21 cents for an ad. And then it's showing you some really nice images, you know, to kind of have you thinking about, yeah, I could do something like that. That's pretty easy. Looks pretty easy to do. Okay. And then you can relate to this, you know, beast mode, you know, I make this look easy. So yeah. Okay. And so basically this here is a sales letter. Okay. And I can show you how to create something like this as well. Okay. And so it just goes on through and kind of gives you some information to kind of make the person see, hey, you know what? Wow. You know, this is a lucrative field, you know, getting, you know, something in print, you know, me, you know, because you may have bought cups, you know, but now it's like, hey, you're able to do this yourself with this 67 print bubble guide. Okay. And so that's what you'll be getting from this offer. And then you're like, it's only $37? Yeah. You know, that's a steal. Okay. And so here they're showing you some, you know, the images and stuff. And basically it's letting you know, hey, this is what you're going to learn. And so that's what you want to do. You want to let the person know, you know, what they're going to learn from your PDF. Okay. And there's some nice images. And basically this is a sales letter. So what you can do, like I said, you will have your, basically you will have your opt-in page, and your opt-in page could either offer somebody, you know, a free, you know, PDF, you know, which this one here is how to make your first commission online, or you can have a sales letter where the person would actually go and click and make a purchase. Okay. And so this is all I wanted to share with you today. If you need help with any of these, you know, basically creating an, you know, opt-in page like this here, you know, for you to offer somebody your PDF for free, you know, I can teach you, basically help you to create your own PDF based on your niche. Okay. The market that you're in. I'm in internet marketing niche. So, of course, I'm going to show you things about marketing online, such as video, you know, marketing, you know, Instagram marketing, Pinterest marketing, you know, different marketing concepts. So I will be showing those things to you. And then here is another way that you can basically have the person end up, you know, being sent to your sales page. Okay. This is a sales letter, okay, and where the person can actually purchase your PDF, okay. So this is how you can have somebody download for free, get their name and email address. This one here, you just making the money up front, you know, by offering them a PDF, okay. And this is something, if this is something you're interested in doing, I'm going to put a link in the group. And you can connect with me on this. You can actually purchase this product as well. And I can show you my actual cup, you know, that I made that is really cute, you know, with this print bubble PDF. Okay. I'm Terry B. Jones, sharing with you live here on Wednesday. I look forward to connecting with you all and helping you to get your opt-in page and your PDFs made so that you can offer them either for free or for a price.